If that's what's happening, then what do we need to prevent it happening? Remember I said that having good intentions and even having lots of skills will mean nothing if the structures and the environment are not conducive to the kind of collaborative and creative behaviour that we've been talking about.
To me, it's very obvious. I suppose it's just that everybody's clear on the overall goal. Make sure that everyone understands what it is, and that be it functional or individual goals, to make sure that they match or are on par with that overall goal. I think it really is critical for me that.
I agree completely, but that has to be done consistently and repeatedly. People will forget, and then they'll just drift back into their silos.
Yes, certainly will. Very good.
I think you're right. We have to remember that there's going to be ambitious people with egos, and as long as everything's going well for them, they won't really care how anyone else is getting on.
I agree with that. I see this all the time, and that's why it's essential that the overall leader makes it really clear that it's the overall goal that matters. And I feel that teams really at senior level have to work really hard at that, at being together on the overall goal.
Yeah, I'd agree with that as well. I mean, I've seen senior teams that don't even act like teams at all. It's all about, it really looks more like a meeting of representatives, people that are all from different parties, different constituencies, really just looking after their own individual or their own functional goal. That's the only thing that seems to matter for them.
I've seen that too. And this attitude and behaviour seems to work its way right down through the organisation. Everybody begins to play the same game, only considering their own welfare and not the welfare of the team.
It all comes down to leadership, doesn't it really? The overall leader must insist and keep reminding people that it is the overall goal that matters, and that they have to forget their own individual part, and that they're looking at being a team and working as a team.
What you have been saying is really important, and well done, everybody.